My name is Reverend Father Dr. Ben Agbo. I am a lecturer in the Department of Music, UNN, and I specialize in theory and composition. I teach a number of theory courses like composition and fugue and others. I also teach keyboard accompaniment. I am also the exam officer of my department. I help to process the results of our students and make sure that they graduate on time. In the practical area, I specialize in inculturation, African music, inculturation of liturgical music. That's where I did my PhD in. I try to give an African perspective to liturgical music.